What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna do a little review on something that I think most of you guys out there do on a daily basis if you're a car guy, obviously, which is clean your rims. This is the product right here, and I'm gonna be cleaning competition wheels for the M3. It's not all that clean. And let's see how this product does. Alright guys, so let's try out the spray. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you the end result. It worked actually more than what I thought it was gonna work, to be honest. I'm not sponsored by these people or anything. I just saw it online, and I wanted to try it for myself, and honestly it's crazy. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on.